think I want to go down there because the other day we caught more fish down there than we did up here. So thinking I want to go down. I want to go down there. Oh, whoa! What the fuck? I just got smacked. Got one. Yes. Oh yeah. What we got? Pike. Who would have guessed? All right. Nice little pike on the jerkbait. Bye. Cool. That was on this little jerkbait right here. Awesome little jerkbait. That was cool. Ooh. There we go. Got one. Baby pike. See that? Baby pike, man. I'm getting out the forceps for this one. All right. Just a little pike. Finally got the freaking hook out. Cool. There's a pattern. They're like right up against that wall. Watch. Boom. Man, it's another tiny one though. Just look at the size of him. He's tiny. Look at him. He's minuscule. Look how small he is. Boom. Look at that little tiny pike. You know how it is. Alright, right up against the wall. Let's let it sink a little bit. Just let it, a little bit of sink in there. Ooh. Got him. Oh! Damn it, dude. He came off, man. I had one. Oh my god. I knew it. I knew that this would get bit. Oh my god. Got this nice little bass right here. Sorry, the GoPro died, but it's really awesome.